My name is Brian. I came from Austin to Dallas to visit Dr. Lamb about 8 months ago. I had scheduled a hair procedure because I was not happy with some of my hair loss. And I had had a friend in Austin who had gone to an Austin doctor. He had done a different procedure with a robot, and he had not been super pleased. And in particular, he had told me that there was going to be a great amount of pain and bruising, swelling, etc. with the process. When I came to Dr. Lamb's office, it was an extraordinarily high-end experience, and I literally felt no pain the entire procedure. I went home yesterday a little groggy, but otherwise just fine. I took a 2-hour nap and literally came out to my friends and said good morning, because I thought it was morning and it was really 8:30 in the evening. We had a wonderful dinner. I slept like a champ last night, and I'm here for my post-op and feel great.